Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to select multiple photos in Google Drive. Whether you want to move, download, or share several images at once, we will walk you through the steps. On your Google Drive dashboard, we click the photos we want to select. For example, if we have photos here, to select multiple photos, we just need to hold down the Control key and then click each photo we want to select. We keep clicking while holding Control. This way, we can select as many photos or files as we need. If we want to copy these files, we just press Ctrl+C and then paste them into the folder where we want them to go. We can also press Ctrl+A to select all files at once. And if we want to deselect a file, we just hold Control and click on it again to deselect it. And that's it. We now know how to select multiple photos in Google Drive, making it simple to manage and organize our images.